Sister had only a few non-serious burns on her arm and managed to shield my niece from the explosion. At that point I was just so angry, went up to their door and started banging on it demanding they come out. They didn't answer, so I started trying to kick the door in. My mom and brother dragged me away and back inside to calm me down. Half an hour later the police arrived because the neighbors had called them about me. Luckily after we explained what had actually happened I didn't get in any trouble. But neither did they. 4. When someone's kid at Golden Corral decided to put their hands in food containers and they did nothing about it. 5. A kid bit me on the arm in kindergarten. I waited till after nap time to run him over with my tricycle.